Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG. Drive on Android. Many players wish to enjoy this incredibly realistic vehicle simulation on their mobile devices. However, it's crucial to understand that BeamNG. Drive is a PC-exclusive title designed for powerful computers. There is no official version or direct port available for Android, meaning you cannot simply download and install the game onto your phone or tablet. One popular method to access PC games on Android is through cloud gaming services. These platforms allow you to stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your phone or tablet. For a good experience, you'll need a very fast and stable internet connection, ideally over 500 megabits per second. Many services require a monthly subscription and often work best with a physical Bluetooth controller for optimal gameplay. Another approach involves using remote desktop applications. With these, your Android device acts as a screen and input for your home computer, which is actually running BeamNG. Drive. This means your PC needs to be on and running the game. While it offers direct access, you might experience noticeable input lag and reduced graphical quality due to video compression. A strong home network, ideally Gigabit Ethernet, is highly recommended for this setup. When attempting to play BeamNG, Drive on Android via these methods, it's important to manage your expectations regarding performance and overall experience. You will likely encounter some input latency and graphical compromises compared to playing directly on a powerful PC. The game's complex controls are not designed for touchscreens, so a physical game controller is almost essential for enjoyable gameplay. Ultimately, while these workarounds offer access, the best experience remains on a dedicated gaming computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.